Hello, second graders. You are going to be using IXL for your extended hour time. We ask you to do 30 minutes daily of this program. Before you start with the program, you need to take a diagnostic test, which means that you have to know at which level you are for them to give you the proper lessons. First, you're going to log in and all this information, login and passwords are on Schoology. After you log in, you need to take a diagnostic, like I said. So instead of learning, you're going to click on diagnostic. After that, you will click on step into the arena. As you see, math is going to pop out. That's when we have to go to this arrow on the side and change it to language arts, which means reading. Then you can go ahead and get started with your test. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact Miss Yana for help.